first thing you need to do is get your World History Notebook number 2 open to page 62. Okay, and at the top of page 62, you will see rank and file jihadists' public motives. And you should already have those notes filled in from, what was that? Tuesday, I guess. Monday or Tuesday. What you are going to be doing in your notebook is completing some notes about the private or ulterior motives of leaders and rank and file jihadists. Now, you're going to start with the leaders. And as you watch the videos that are labeled as leader videos, you're going to list a total of 3 private or ulterior motives that the leaders might have. You must include at least 1 motive from each of the videos. There are only 2, so you can have 2 from one and 1 from the other, as long as you've got something from both videos. You are then going to list 3 private or ulterior motives. I don't know why that says leaders. That should say rank and file jihadis. I'm sure it's printed wrong in your notebook, so cross that out and write rank and file. Obviously, it's not going to fit in the exact same spot. And again, you're going to need 1 motive from each video. Boy, nothing about that is right. You need 4. And that's why next year's notebooks are going to have some changes from this year. All right. So that should say 4. Everybody got that fixed? All right. When you have completed your lists, I want you to think about what you have completed in those notes, but also think back to the notes from class about the public motives of the leaders and the rank and file jihadists. To answer this reflection question, which motives are most important, public motives or private/ulterior motives? And explain your answer, whether it's public or private/ulterior, using at least 3 items from your notes, everything from pages 61 up to 60. I'm really batting 1,000 on this one. That should be page 63, since page 64 is your reflection. Now, there are 2 ways to watch the videos. If you click on the link to go back to the Islamist terrorism, you're going to see that videos, once it loads, videos 1 and 2 are about leaders. Videos 3, 4, and 5 are about the rank and file. But to help you in Islamist Terrorism Day 3, there is also the Ed Puzzle assignment. This has all 5 of those videos with some questions. Those questions are almost all meant to help you with your lists of private and ulterior motives for leaders and the rank and file jihadists. Bless you. All right, so instead of seeing the ed puzzle as an annoying extra thing to do, right, think of it as a way to get some other points while you're doing the work you would have to do anyway, right, and as something that will help guide you to the right things to put in your lists on pages 62 and 63. This part of the assignment, both the ed puzzle and your work on pages 62 to 64, are due either at the end of the class period tomorrow or on the 19th. Remember, notebooks are being collected on the 19th, and so everything needs to be done by then. This is the last thing to go into notebook number 2. Any questions? All right, borrow headphones if you need to. If you have your own, use your own. And I'll let you know when the exit slip's coming.